What it do, Dragonfly? This is boy Derek this, aka Dragon AD. You already know what it is. Let's get into this another food review. Wow, no hesitation. Y'all already know who this is. My little fiance, Miss Monte. So let's get into our no hesitation. Yeah. Alright, baby. So what we got? What we starting off this time? You know, what we starting off?
We doing a review on some snacks from Dubai.
So
they came straight from Dubai.
All right. So let's get into this food. Well, we're doing snack review because we really ain't got no food. Really just snacks.
It's snacks. It's candy.
Snack review. So snack review. Retitle. All right. So let's get into no hesitation. See which one we're gonna start off from Dubai. Let's try to. What you want? I'm gonna let you pick.
Let's go with the jelly beans.
She was so, man. She trying to make sure which one she wants.
Okay, so it says the Jelly Bean Factory Surprise Flavor Mix.
I got me a green one, and I got me a real. Oh Lord, I done dropped it. And I got me a real one. So let's get into it.
Yeah, get you another one.
Okay.
I got a purple, look like a purple and a white.
Green, red, so Christmas colors. So let's get into it. What flavor that is? The green.
That one taste like a...
It's a pear. Or an apple.
I can't tell what that one was.
More like a watermelon taste. Watermelon taste. I really couldn't tell because there was it got different shades of green over here, so I really can't tell.
I can't tell what flavor those are either. But I'm trying to see what it tastes like.
Cause they got so many flavors back here.
Like it's hard to tell because some of the colors look funny.
Right. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can't focus on it, so we don't worry about it.
Those ones are like, is it a butter popcorn flavor on there?
God, this stuff is so small.
If not, this has like their butter popcorn jelly bean. The white one, I think.
I don't see it. They got tangerine. Ooh, they're too small. Like they literally got my ear. Yeah, me either. Better have one on. But all right, baby. Let's what would you rate them jelly beans right there?
I rate them a 10 out of 10 because that reminds me of the jelly bean.
10. I'm just gonna say, actually. Same here, 10 out of 10, because they taste good. Basically just like regular jelly beans, honestly. It honestly what it tastes like. It basically it. Alright, on to the next one.
Y'all.
So, okay, you are choose. Alright, let me choose. Okay, let's try this out. Sherbet Dragon. Sherbet. Sherbet. Okay, so I said it wrong this time. Sherbet. Okay, sir. Sherbet Dragon Bubblegum. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get into this. We're not gonna have the same situation, y'all. We really not. We hold on, let me wait.
Ah. You cheated.
Yeah.
Open that with your teeth. He cheated opening it with his teeth, so he really ain't opened it by himself.
Sorry about that, y'all. But strong man duties. What is
Like it's shaped like an egg. Oh, they different colors. I got a
Really?
red one. Yeah,
I got a green. They got different flavors on them?
Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah. I was trying to see if they had like different flavors on the package. Let's get into it, y'all. This is a little sour. Okay. It's alright. Ooh. This is a little sour, but oh, damn, that caught me off guard. Okay. Alright, it's alright. How yours say, man?
It's good, but since it reminds me of like the double bubble gum, I'm gonna have to give it a 3. Cause I'm not one that really, cause it's good. Flavor wise, I would give it a 10, but overall, I would give it a 3.
Yeah.
Because I don't really like, I don't really like that double bubble gum.
Yeah.
I don't really like all that fruity gum. So,
Yeah. I'll give it a 2 out of 10 because honestly, it's just like basically a sour gum. That's it. I thought something. But then the sherbet. It don't even taste like sherbet.
It's another country.
Oh, okay. And then I'm a sherbet fan, especially ice cream. I love sherbet ice cream, but that ain't it.
Nope.
That ain't it. So I'm gonna give it, like I said, a 2 out of 10. Okay, so your turn, baby.
Let's go with the Time's Out, baby.
Time's out. Know what it is? Time's out.
It really supposed to be Time's Up. I just said Time Out. But the name of it is Time Out.
Oh, it is Time's out.
Chocolatey crunchy wafer. It's by Cadbury.
Cadbury, who's this?
Cadbury. You know the Cadbury is. This a little melty. But it's okay. It's all good.
Man, this looks like a. Hold on. Let me get right. Man, to be honest with you want to start off? I'm gonna start off. It tastes like basically a whole Kit Kat. Nothing special. Oh, nothing special about it. Honestly, it really tastes like a whole Kit Kat. Honestly, I was about to say a Nutty Buddy, but it's basically a big Kit Kat. Honestly, it's good. Don't get me wrong. I give that 5 out of 10. Okay, yeah, 5 out of 10. I like Kit Kats. So they good. So 5 out of 10. So yeah. No issue on my part.
10 out of 10. It's real good.
Yeah, it's good. That's what I say. It's real good.
10.
To like snack on or something. If you're a Kit Kat fan, but
And I'm a Kit Kat fan. I love Kit Kat. And Twix.
okay. All right. Okay, you already did yours. All right, on to the next item. Let's see. Let's try this. Minions Bubble. No, banana.
Million.
Millions? Oh, no, hold on. Oh, millions. Dang, my bad. Tiny, tasty. Well, yeah, it is Minions. The little candy bar. Well, not candy. I'm sorry, not candy bar, but the little candy, whatever this is. Banana. It had the tiny tasty. Chewy sweets. That's a bonus. It's chewy candy. And then it's banana. Out of all flavors, it's banana. I ain't saying that's bad. Yeah, I don't need no help, bro. I don't need no help. One part of my, okay. They're like little rocks. Tiny, itty bitty rocks. Wait a minute. I think you got to eat all these together. If you're eating about 1 or 2 of them, it's not. Well, you can taste the banana taste, but at first I didn't. I ain't tasting nothing. This, Wait. It's good.
Tastes like a banana left taffy.
Yeah, a banana left taffy. That honestly what it tastes like.
So I'm gonna give it a 10 because I love banana. Anything banana flavored. I love it.
You know what? I'll rate this a 10 out of 10 too because I love chewy candy. And like she said, I like bananas too. So the banana flavor anyway. So yeah, this is nice. I actually like this. You don't mind if I keep it? Alright,
I'm so slow down.
Hey, that's why I said let me nope.
Little 1, 2, 1, 2 right there.
It good right there though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, on to the next item. Your turn, baby.
The Twix Top.
The Twix Top. Ooh. They look really good. So y'all see what she doing? She trying to make it seem like that. Oh, I can pop it open. So good.
Yeah, it's the top of the Twix.
Oh, okay. It look, man, almost like a piece of graham cracker on the back of it. It kind of broke a little bit, so focus in on. There we go. See, that's basically what it is. Don't it look like that's what it is? A piece of graham cracker and stuff like that.
It tastes like a graham cracker. It don't taste like an extra Twix.
You see that? No. You see this, right? You see what it says, right? It says Twix Top. This right here. It don't taste like no Twix. God no. I mean, it's okay. It ain't no Twix now.
I'm hurt.
You hurt?
Dubai, what y'all doing?
Man, I'm talking about. I think it's the caramel. We ain't taste no caramel in that there.
It barely got caramel in it. I really didn't taste it.
That probably what it was. Man. I want to say that cookie part.
It tastes like a graham cracker. It don't taste like the actual Twix cookie.
I would rate that. Honestly, I'm gonna rate that a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Because it's okay, but that's something I want to be like snacking on due to the texture of the cookies on the bottom. Nah, I'm not feeling it.
Okay, I'm gonna give my rating. I'm gonna have to give a -0, and we all know 0 can't even be negative. That's just how bad it is. 0 can't be a negative number.
Come on, baby, is that bad?
Yes.
Ooh.
You know I love tweaks.
Yeah.
So that disappointed me.
Yeah, that just hurt her feelings right there.
It did.
Yeah. I honestly, I didn't expect that neither, because it's different. It's different. So, yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that. All right, on to the next item. You know, just to calm her nerves down, so you know she kind of sad. We gonna fix that with the next item. All right. Let's try this. You know, I almost thought there was the bubble gum in this. You know, like the old school way. Smoothies Skittles. Look at it. Take your time with it. Yeah. But honestly, I want to say we have these down here. I know we already discussed
It's in a
this.
pink pack.
Pink
It might
pack.
be different.
Yeah. Smooth blend of fruit and yogurt flavor. I don't think we have yogurt flavor. I don't think.
This what it is. It's a smooth blend of fruit and yogurt flavor. It's what a smoothie is.
Alright, let me start off my first batch. Yeah.
What was I finna say? Why these got M's on them? It's Skittles. Alright.
Man, they got an S imprinted on this, cause
No, this different because I don't think ours got a blue Skittle in it. These
Blue?
colors different.
yeah, they are.
It's different. You ready?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Okay. Blueberry. Let's have blueberry.
Blueberry. I ain't gonna lie, I done tried two different flavors. It's real good.
I made happy again.
This
This yellow one actually to like maybe like a pina colada type thing.
I wonder if we got the flavors on the back.
I didn't see it.
No, they ain't got it on. Nope, that move. I think this one was bursting with more flavors than the American Skittles. You know what? I'll rate that a 9 out of 10. Because it's good, it's sweet. I don't like too much sweetness. I try not to eat too much sweet stuff anyway. That's enjoyable. Actually, that's real enjoyable to eat. So I like it. I'll say a 9 out of 10. That was your rating.
Off the charts.
We got one off the charts.
Off the charts.
Ooh. All right, off the charts. All right, baby, your turn.
This kind of space to
Ooh, I'm scared of this.
So we're gonna do it back to back.
Okay,
So this
I'm
is
scared of it.
gunpowder. I'm guessing it turned into gum. You gonna get yours?
Yeah, I'm gonna get mine. Hey, seriously, just by look at this, I'm scared. I'm seriously scared.
And I'm not a fan of sour stuff, so we finna see.
Woo! Well, I'm talking about this.
Then they
Ooh,
black. Look,
they black. Ooh, and it's like a gunpowder for real.
we gonna do this
Wait.
together.
Wait on me. All right. My jaw already tensing up. Ooh.
And I don't even like sour stuff, so I'm scared.
Man, this better be how the package look. It better how the package got looking like this. I want that same thing to happen to me. I bet I'll be disappointed. You ready? 1, 2. I got a whole bunch of them too. So 1, 2, 3.
Maybe you gotta eat more than that.
You sure? You know I had a whole handful of that.
I don't like sour stuff, and I'm doing it.
She gonna try this again, cause
I don't have that many in my hand.
oh you didn't? Oh I did. I'm gonna go and get my review first. I'm gonna wait till you let yours something first.
Okay.
Be honest with y'all. You see what this is, though? Right here. Let me zoom in on. Let me get my face out. Come on, zoom in. It says, well, I'm just read to you. Explosive sour bubblegum. I'm disappointed.
It's sour, but it's not that sour.
Yeah.
I was able to tolerate it, and you know I'm not quick to eat nothing sour.
That slick made me mad just now, man. 'Cause I was expecting to look like bro right here. It just some regular bubblegum. That ain't nothing. Man, I'm gonna get that a 1 out of 10. I'm so disappointed. I really am. Like, I'm so disappointed in this.
I'm not gonna go that low for it. I'll give it a 6 solely because I like the flavor. And to me, it had enough sourness to it, but I was expecting my face to look like the man face on the bag.
Yeah.
Because I already don't like sour stuff.
Well, it's not no warhead, so like, just leave it at that. Alright, so who chose last time? You did?
I did.
Okay. Alright, my turn. Mentos. Tutti frutti. Ooh. Tutti frutti. Ooh. Tutti frutti. I don't know if y'all can. Okay. Mentos. Tutti frutti. Alright. Yes to being unique. Okay. We go ahead and pop these jokers open. Ooh. Yo, I don't know how I got that. Man, dude. God. Oh, am I peeling this off? You know, we're gonna skip that one. You know, oh, okay. Alright. Got me too, Is you literally trying to... Why Jace eat one of these? More quicker. Well, you was just determined to get that paper on with.
Get it off of it. Just wait.
I'm waiting on you now. This ain't gonna turn to no bubblegum, is it?
It's mental.
Yeah, I know it's mental, but it feel like everybody can return to some bubblegum to me. It's real juicy, I can tell you that. Oh. You had them. I don't want them. I got my little minions on the side. You hear them? Yo.
No.
Yo.
We're gonna talk about the milk.
But Jesus, this literally got me sloppy. I did really taste like I don't think we never had that flavor down here, did?
We don't have.
It's good. I rate that up. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It tastes good. Tastes like a bubblegum flavor, actually. Really just a bubblegum flavor. It tastes real good though. 8 out of 10 in my book. So
Off the charts. I love them.
wow.
I love them.
Okay. Off the charts. I'm slick. I slick want to change mine. You think it's too late to change mine?
Change it. Go ahead.
You know, I'm gonna just stick to my rating. I'm gonna just stick to it because I tasted Midlothian before. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna just leave it. Because 8. Okay, it's just a flavor, so I'm just leave it at 8 out of 10. So, yeah, all right. On to the next item.
Bazooka Tutti Frutti Chew Bar.
Ah, man, the Mentos. I hate when I eat something juicy. You get the.
I tried to break it in. I broke it out.
Oh,
I gave you.
okay.
This I was saying. I tried to do like half and half.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Don't we got bazooka gum out here?
Yeah, the gum, but not the candy.
Oh, that's the candy.
Yeah, the candy.
Oh, Chew Bar.
It reminds me of an airhead.
Yeah. You know, I'm thinking this gum the whole time. Hey, that's actually good though. I would rate that 9 out of 10. That's good. That's really good. Oh God, that is amazing. I like it. It tastes real good. Back, what's your rate? Off the charts.
No. I'm actually with this. I'm actually gonna do a 7 out of 10. Which the flavor is 10 out of 10, but it's like the sweetness.
Oh, the sweetness.
I'm gonna give it a 7. So it's really good.
That makes more sense. Yeah. Okay. All right. On to the next item. Let's get into it. Say that for last. We gonna say this for last, y'all.
I'm scared of that one.
Hey, look. We thought this was something. This here, that ain't nothing compared to what we got right now. All right, let's see. What is it that we? Okay, this here. Watermelon bubblegum. Not bad. Well, I got some potential. Hopefully it does.
I bet it tastes like that. You remember that double bubble watermelon bubble gum they had? You remember Double Bubble had some watermelon gum shaped like watermelon? Yeah. I bet it tastes like that.
Alright. Here you go, man. Shaped like a real watermelon.
I like the detail and how they got the little ridges.
Hey. Oh.
You ready?
Yeah.
But it has the seeds in it too.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm like, this ain't have some in it. Inside.
They're real small.
Oh.
They're like candy.
You feel like I can taste stuff too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll taste it. Yeah. It's okay.
That one I'm gonna have to go with a 2 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm for that a 1 out of 10 because it basically just regular chewing bum gum. Actually, nothing special about it. I ain't missing out on that. So that. All right, yeah, because that really wasn't that. It basically just like that's basically like bubble gum you see in the store. So yeah.
Oh, this two different. This different.
Yeah, I noticed that because when I was looking
I
at
thought
them,
they were the same.
I thought so too.
So we'll go with that pick. Oh, will you pick? Which pick?
You know, I'm gonna go with this one. Y'all see it? Extreme sour candy.
I'm scared of you.
And look, it got the levels to it.
Oh, I'm scared.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared myself. I am scared myself. Whew. And look, they got the detailed stuff back there too. I'm talking about they got all of
I
that.
just like how the whole bag just look like a comic strip.
Yeah. Alright, man, let's get into it. Oh, they got them wrapped up individually. Okay. Okay. You want to pick one right now?
They might all be the same.
Ooh, I'm scared. Oh Lord. Look how it look. What you get? An orange one?
Yeah. It's the same.
Ah, my jaw's already tensing up. Ooh, y'all know how y'all eat some sour. This get the irritating. So we got middle level. So you ready?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay. I think the sound look on here.
Oh. Oh. Did you bite yours?
I did do it.
You did?
Wait, so it's different, huh?
Mm-hmm. I want to get to that high level.
Yeah, this is what I'm trying to find.
Ooh. Nope, it's another orange. I want no orange.
Are they all the same?
I hope not. This is orange.
All on the same.
This is garbage. All of them the same, man. Yeah, this is garbage. Like, seriously. I really thought that I was gonna have something sour this time. I really thought it. Oh, but you know what? Wait a minute. How this had me? This should have had me looking like this, but it didn't. And this did, but that didn't. I will rate it a 10 out of 10. Ooh. Y'all know I just popped another one, so So, the reason I rate that a 10 out of 10 due to the flavorness and the sourness of it too. Because it actually telling you like how sour it is, and as you can see from earlier, we witnessed the full force of that. So, ooh, Lord, that's sour, huh? Hey, take it away.
I'm gonna have to agree. Like, although I don't like sour candy, like I'm a sour candy person. I would have to rate it a 10 because it did have me looking like that gunpowder pack. So,
Yeah. So if he making a face looking like this, oh, he a chump. He a chump for real. Nigga, this ain't sour. That ain't sour though. Oh. God. Alright, baby. Your turn.
So, the last item that we're going to review today.
The last item.
It's the same as the other one, but this one is Drops Candy Mix. So, this one has probably all 3 levels in it.
Hopefully it does.
I think this got all 3 levels in it because it's a mix.
Oh, it does. Oh, where you see that at?
It's a Candy Drops Mix.
Oh. Extremely sour candy. So I can't even get mad at this first pack.
All the packs the same.
All of them the same color, y'all. The package.
I'm finna just close my eyes and.
You know what? You see that? It says orange.
Reading is fundamental, guys. We did not read that. People.
What you got? You got orange, don't you?
That thing orange.
Man, hold on, y'all. We gon' hopefully we can find us a different color. I hope I do. Man. It's orange, man.
Orange.
Don't do
Dubai.
that. Oh,
Dubai. I thought it was, look, when I first
Orange
put it,
again.
I thought it was another color.
Once again.
It's a mix.
Mixture of what? The same color? Oh well. They did try this out.
Baby. Read it, baby.
Well, it says orange.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
All of them orange.
But see, that one don't have it.
This one don't say orange. But all of those are orange. So what y'all, can somebody from Dubai please, if you come across this video, please tell us if we read something wrong. Like, we confused over here.
I'm pretty sure we got everything.
Tell us, are we supposed to have 3
It
different kinds?
says orange on there. Orange. Drop mix candy orange. Look backwards. Well, yeah. So, hey, I'm finna try it. Dude, this ain't even supposed. Oh man, that was nothing. It kind of started off a little tinky, like it was gonna do something. Baby, that ain't nothing.
What I'm trying to see is, was it really supposed to be 3 different ones in there? Or did we misinterpret the package?
Miscalculation on something. I ain't gonna lie, I like these though. Cause these were more sour anyway. Anyway, yeah, I give that, honestly, surprisingly, a 9 out of 10. It wasn't sour, it was good. It kind of threw me off just a little bit because how it just started off. It started like when I first tasted it. It started off like a little sour, and then all of a sudden just like a regular, candy.
It's like, the little orange candy your grandma be having in the bottom of her purse with all them the crumbs in there. That's what it tastes like.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
She be having all them little crumbs in the bottom of that purse.
The orange flavored candy.
She be having that orange candy, that cinnamon candy, them cold drops, Them round peppermint balls, them
Peppermints.
fireballs.
Oh God.
Down in there with all them little crumbs. Y'all know y'all grandma be having it down in the bottom of her purse.
But baby, what was your score for this? I don't even think now you can get it.
Hey, shout out to my grandma. Granny, if you see this, I love you, girl. Not saying my grandma be having crumbs at the bottom of her purse now. But she did use supplies with that candy though. But for real, I would probably give it a 9 out of 10 myself.
Okay, that's good because you just, like you said, basically an average candy that you taste on a daily basis. Honestly, this was real. It was nice. It was just half of the stuff just tasted regular to me. Now some of it gave me a surprise, just a little bit. But honestly, it was a great one. It was great. So other than that, y'all, we gonna holler at y'all in the next video. Peace.
And
And Dragon out.
Deuces.